Congratulations, Team VECV, on another successful year. It's been a great year, and it's also been the year where we completed the 10th year anniversary of this very successful joint venture. We've really come a very long way in VECV from when we started the joint venture and from 15 years ago when at Eicher Group we decided to focus on commercial vehicles and motorcycles. And we've come a tremendously long way, and we should be tremendously proud of that. Last year was a record year for commercial vehicles. We had nearly 3 lakh heavy duty trucks. It's at all-time high. And it was really a big year for commercial vehicles. And of course, for VECV as well, it was an enormous year. We had nearly 73,000 trucks sold. We had 40,000 of those lovely medium duty engines manufactured and sold across India, across the world actually, for Volvo's global requirement, and we crossed 10,000 in export. So it's really been a bumper year in many ways, but it's also been a very tough year because the second half of the year was really quite tight because of various reasons, because of liquidity crisis, because of costs going up, and so there was issues. And as a result, in VECV also we've had some issues and some problems. We've had margins were much lower than we'd like them to be, yet I mean, while we were profitable and doing well, the margins were lower. We did have our market shares come down a bit last year. So our light and medium duty market share, which has been growing pretty much throughout the last 10 years, took quite a big dip last year from 33 to sub 30%. We certainly need to bring that back up. And even in heavy duty, we've sort of flattened out a bit at 4.5%, 5%, which again we need to push up. And of course, there's a lot of things that we've seen in the business plan this year, which I'm very excited about, and that we're going to be doing in order to bring those market shares up, in order to bring those margins up, and most importantly, in order to propel VECV as the commercial vehicle of choice, of the premium commercial vehicle in the Indian industry. And of course, what I really love and what the team has come to is the most important agenda for VECV in the coming years, which is uptime. That's really at the focus and fulcrum of what VECV needs to be. If we can provide uptime, we can provide amazing uptime, which stands out in the industry, we're going to go really far as a commercial vehicle player, especially in the premium space which we want to get to. So that's the big one. Of course, the challenges, the opportunities are in other areas. So there's BS6, so Bharat Stage 6, which comes in April 2020. That's an enormous challenge for VECV, but it's also a huge opportunity because we've been in the forefront of BS6. We've been providing Euro 6 engines to Volvo globally for years now. So we know how to do it better than anyone else. And that also brings us to the next challenge, which is really an opportunity of heavy duty. So heavy duty is again where we have to make a breakthrough. We've been really working hard towards it. One is hearing so many amazing things about what's going on in the field, about the Pro 6000 and now the Pro 8000 as well. So there's a lot of good things going. I think even competitors will say that the Pro 6000 is really the premium product. It's the benchmark product. And now we have to really get people to accept it, get the whole ecosystem around our Pro 6000, our distribution, our residual value, our uptime. All of that has to be sorted, and really we have a very strong wicket to work on. So BS6 leading to HD breakthrough and success through the product, through uptime. And last but not the least, the rejuvenation and renewal of the platform, which actually Eicher Trucks and Buses started from, which was, started from the Canter, what was the 6-ton Canter. It moved on to various avatars, including the 1060, 1090, 1095, 1110. So all those products came out of one base product, which was maybe 1985 when we started that. So it's 33, 34 years ago. And that base product, which has been the fount of all our LMD endeavors, is now getting upgraded to Pro 2000. So that's a momentous occasion for us also, and something that I believe can propel us to the next level in light and medium duty as well, combined of course with our Pro 3000, which is also a very strong and modern platform. So on the product side, we've got a tremendous amount of things going for us, and now the focus of the organization really needs to move to uptime, and that uptime, if we can continue to improve it for our customers, is really going to get us to the next level in VECV, and I'm looking forward to that. We have the opportunity. BS6 is going to be a landmark moment of breakthrough in the commercial vehicle industry, and VECV is going to be the one to take advantage of that. All the best for a very important year. Thank you.